Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside of Meijer, and Meijer has really hot deals going on. They have their dollar sale, which is the same as their 7 for 7, except for you don't have to buy at least 7 items for this, which is super nice because if you want to grab like 1 or 2, you can. There is tons of different spend store offers that will go over inside. And there is that subscribe button down below. If you're not currently subscribed, I'd love to have you as part of the channel. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. So this is by far not the best savings, but on select Boost products, when you're buying 2, you'll get $4 off instantly. I know this is an extremely hard item to coupon for, so this might be a deal for you. Great deal on Bic razors. You can grab the men's or the women's. Tons of them are on sale for $5.99. Grab your favorite one. We have a $3 digital coupon, making it just $2.99. Keep an eye out for this Skintimate Shave Gel Twin Pack. This specific one is on clearance. Barely on clearance yet, but it will probably drop. Easy deal on the Axe deodorant sticks. They're $5.29 for the cheaper items. You can grab something more expensive if you prefer, but we have a $6 digital coupon, or you'll grab 2 for $10.58. We have a $6 digital coupon, making them $4.58 for both. We have a really good deal on this clearance item. So it's on the Native Hair Care. This is the warm cinnamon one. It's on clearance for $5.99. There's a $1 digital coupon, making it $4.99. You can grab these Kotex 50 count liners for $4.09. We have a $1 digital coupon, making them $3.09. They have the I Love You cat treats and cat food, 25% off. So that's the sale tag will not reflect the 25% off. You can scan in the app and it'll show you the 25% off. And there might be some digital coupons or ibotta rebates for these. If you need some dry cat food, Meow Mixes buy one get one 30% off. It's probably our best deal this week for dry cat food. So we still have the PG spend $25 get $5 off. So here are some of the items you can grab. You can grab these larger Tide pods. You can grab the Power Pods that are the 45 count, or you can grab the bigger containers, the 76 count. There's a $5 coupon. Another item that you can grab is one of these Febreze plugs. You don't even need to do this in the deal. It's a great deal on its own. The Febreze plug is $3.59, and we have a $3.50 digital coupon for it, making it just 9 cents. You can come grab one of these Mr. Clean concentrated that are on sale for $5.99. There's a $2 coupon. Or you can grab these Mr. Clean Magic Erasers that are also on sale for $5.99 with a separate $2 coupon. Lastly, you can come grab one of the Swiffer kits that are $9.99 on sale, and there's a $2 digital coupon. So an easy example would be these 4 products. Your total before coupons will be $25.56. Then after all the coupons we have, we'll pay $16.06. But remember, we have that $5 off of one as well, or the $5 off 25, making all 4 of these $11.06. This week only, there is a spend 30 on select Scott Cottonelle and Viva products. You'll get $10 off. So there's only like 3 coupons out there that I saw. One of the products you can grab using the coupon and everything is one of these Scott equals 18. These are on sale for $10.99, and there's a $1 digital coupon. You can also grab one of these 36 count massive packs of Cottonelle. You can grab the purple or the blue ones. They're on sale for $36.99 or $26.99, and there's a $3 digital coupon. The last one you can grab is the Viva 8 equals 24 triple. It's on sale for $19.49, and there's a $1 digital coupon. So the best way to do this deal is to grab one of those and one of the Viva. Your total will be $30.48 before coupons, but we only have $2 in digital coupons. So after those come off plus the $10 for spending $30, it'll make them both $18.48. So it's kind of close to half off for both. So I do want to take the time and to mention the spend 15 on General Mills, get $5 off if you haven't done that deal. I didn't put together a deal for this at all because I'm really stocked up on food right now. But I'll pop up a couple different coupons for General Mills specifically that you could put together your own deal. Grab easy savings on ring pops. You're gonna grab the party pack. I think this is like 15 count or whatever. They're $8.99. We have a buy one get one free digital coupon, so you grab 2 bags for $8.99. Or if that bag's a little too much, you can grab the assorted Bazooka 4-count of Pops, $4.99. We have a buy one get one free digital coupon for these, so it'll make 2 bags $4.99. Talenti Gelato is on sale for $3.99, and there's a dollar digital coupon, making them $2.99. Jack's pizzas are 3 for $10. I know these are pretty thin, but you can always add a few things to them to make them more beefier, but 3 for $10 is a decent price. A great way to save on ground beef is to grab the Meijer brand rolls. They're buy one get one 40% off, and if you're trying to grab the more expensive ones, the 93, I know these hardly ever go on clearance, so this is a great way to stock up on some higher end meat. Select pork products are buy one get one 50% off, so you can grab your great savings on meat before grilling out. This is definitely an interesting sale to me, but Lunchable products are buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy 6 of them, you'll get a free 10-pack of the Capri Sun pouches. The smaller containers of blackberries and raspberries are 4 for $5. I think that's a really good deal. Yours this week corn are just 5 for $2 this week. There's no coupons for these, but I want to mention them because they make a great quick meal. But these yakisobas are actually really good. We have tons of different options for jello or pudding mixes. This is a great summertime snack. Grab your favorite kind of Bush's beans. These are super healthy and super filling. Grab your favorite nor pasta side or rice side. These Starkist tuna pouches are definitely a great value at $1, or if you prefer, you can grab the can. Rockstar Energy drinks, my favorite deal if you guys aren't aware of that. A really good deal is these single cans of the Pepsi prebiotic, if you can find them. They're $1. Grab 3 of them for $3, submit to Fetch for 3,000 Fetch points when buying or spending $3, making them basically free. All 1.25 liters of soda, great price. A really good find that I didn't even know this are these Banquet Mega Pies. They're well over 66% off with this sale, and it does scan for $1. Tons of different yogurt brands are part of this sale, so the Too Good, the Icelandic, the Light and Fit, the Oikos, wow, and the Chobani. I don't have any digital coupons that I saw or rebates, but check your Only For You coupons and you might have something to use. The non-popular green giant veggies are part of this promotion, so they're over 50% off, or you can grab some of the box ones. These single serve Simply Juices are a great value at $1. These bacon wrapped pork rounds always sell out super fast. I still have yet to try them, but they're almost 66% off. All right, we're back in from checkout, and I got a little bit of harassment at self-checkout. The cashier first, she's stalking me, what I was doing. I understand their job is to watch us, but oh my gosh. I grabbed, I did the paper towel deal, right? Or the Scott and the Viva. Scan the Scott, put it off to the side, grab the Viva, because I know, once you scan your first item, it does, pop up, and it'll be do you want a full receipt or a short receipt, whatever. So, and it does take a second. So I was I'll be ready to answer that question with the Viva, then I can scan it. She's you need to answer that question. Do you want me to scan the Viva for you? And I'm okay. Calm down. And then, yeah, it was a lot. She was watching what I was grabbing on my cart and intensely. There's other people there. I don't understand why she's watching me intensely, but whatever. Anyway, I grabbed tons of items. Grabbed the PG deal, the paper product deal, so the Kimberly Clark or whatever it was. Then I grabbed a few different items for the dollar sale. So this is the Febreze plug. You can see the $3.50 digital coupon came off. Then for the little Caesar, I was grabbing 3 of them. I had a 30-cent Only For You. I had a 10-cent digital coupon that expires today, and then a 10-cent regular digital coupon that's good for another month or whatever. So that's why I grabbed 3 of them. You can see 30-cent, 10-cent, and then another 10-cent, and they all ring in as the dollar sale. Then we grabbed the Pepsi prebiotics. Now, I did grab a case of them for $6 at Walmart. So I did have one offer left of the spend $3 get 3,000 fetch points. Now I could have grabbed a second $6 pack from Walmart and paid $3 for 8 count, or I don't know, I don't like Pepsi that much, to be quite honest. So I was like, well, I know Meijer's had sold the single counts. I think they were originally like almost $2 a can. So I was like, well, if they come on the 7 for $7 or something, then I'll grab them if the offer is around. So that's why I grabbed 3 of them. So $1 each. Then we had the Rock Stars. I love those, and I drink 2 of them a day while I'm at work. Since I'm on vacation, I haven't drank any. Well, I grabbed one for the other day, but besides that, I don't really drink them when I'm not at work unless I absolutely need caffeine. But I grabbed them in sets of 2, so I grabbed a total of 6 of them. So that's that. Then I grabbed the pot pies, the mega pot pie. Dude, the thing is massive, and I've never had a big pot pie like that. I've had the normal pot pies, and for an easy cheap meal for $1, just add a small side or something. I used to eat pot pies when I was a kid. We'd have like buttered bread with it, so that was a meal, a piece of buttered bread and a pot pie. Childhood memories. Then I grabbed the, what is this? Oh, the Mr. Clean. So this is the, what is this? Oh, I went too far up. Okay, so we have the Mr. Clean, one of them for the $5.99 with the $2 coupon. The other Mr. Clean item for $5.99 with a $2 coupon. Then I grabbed the Swiffer, $2 coupon. Then the Scott toilet paper, $1 coupon. Then the Viva, $1 coupon. So then I used 10,000 M perks to get a $10 off my total basket, since I knew it'd be a little bit more expensive today. Then I earned the $10 for spending $30, and then the $5 for the spend 25. So I got a total of $25 off my basket that came off. So my subtotal before taxes about $33. Then I submitted to Fetch for there's a spend 25 on Meijer household that I hit. It has to be done one transaction, and then I totally forgot about that too. Then I hit the spend $3 on Pepsi, get 3,000 fetch points. So it makes everything about $28-ish. So basically, grabbing the Scott and Viva with the $2 like the $2 in coupons, and then getting the rest completely free. It's basically girl math, right? Anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.